Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. Or go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it next to it, a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. Oh guys, as you see, today it's been a very green day. People, they been with me, they remember that. Also, we buy from here, we buy from here, and we buy from here. Now, till now, also we haven't back what we lost till now. Me, I told you, I got a pending order down here. That's what me had told you. If you remember yesterday video, I tell it to you, I got here, pending order. And I told you something else. I told you that trend line here, if the Bitcoin came and break it here, I'm going to cancel that pending order here and I'm going to buy from here. Should I do it now? Look at it, look at the chart. Not yet, my friend. It's not yet. That's the only thing I can tell you. You remember here that inside bar as we've been talking about. That inside bar, it's getting broke today, but it's getting broke by big volume here. If I enter now, it's going to be very late to enter now. So now me, what I'm doing, I'm waiting that one here to get broke here for me to enter long. You remember in the weekly what me I told you in Monday video? I told you also here, that place here is the top of that wage we break here in that level here in the weekly. Now we go back to test it here in that level here. We go back to test that wage here. Now it needs the Bitcoin to go back higher to break for us that last high here. For us to know everything still looking healthy now. And that trend line used to came from down. Now we go back to touch it here. Even that one you need to be careful about that. But the good news here in the daily, let me show it to you. Not the good news, guys. As you see it, we go back inside the 200 moving average. That's my very good news. All that it's been a fake breakout here. Now what should we do and why that move happening? That move it happened because one investment bank, they win a case against the SEC in America. They win it through the court. That way we see that big jump will happen here. So till now, us we still waiting. Because the last time we buy from here, as I told you, till now we haven't backed everything. But for Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash and XRP, I make very nice profit. People they been with me, they remember that. Me when it falling down that deep, I been buying. That one, me I tell you in the Ethereum, I buy from here, I buy from down here, I buy from down here. So that move will happen today. That one, the market doesn't reach to it, but I've been in profit. So I close something, then I move the stop loss here. So I am risk free now. So now here in the daily, there is nothing, guys. Another thing, very important, guys, is it that one here, that indicator of us. You remember when me have been telling you, me historical when that one touch here, the oversold or overbought area, I started thinking of to go out from the market. And as you see it, when it touch here, me have been telling to you that 1 week now, I've been talking with you guys, also we are in a very stronger level, and that indicator telling us to buy. And look at it here, everything is in front of you here. Now let's go into see coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today we got a very busy day. Maybe we're going to see the continuation, or maybe we're going to see the falling down more. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen. That's what we got. We got ADP, non-farm employment change. We got CPI of Germany. Then we got the GDP of USA, pending home sales and crude oil inventory. And the GDP of USA, if it came like that, how is it the forecast in here? 2.4. It's going to be very good sign, and it's going to push more higher. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. What it's telling us, look at it here, look at US stocks here. All of them, they are green today. By the way, the people, they are in my Discord VIP stocks. Also, we've been buying, or they said, SP 500 today, that jump. Also, we are in profit. For the people, I just showed them monthly, I am plus 22%. Yearly, I am 8%. All that plus is profit. So even you can do the same thing with us. The link of our Discord VIP is down in the description of that video. You can join us there, but it's not for day trading. It's only for long-term investment. If you want to start investing with us, you can join us there and benefiting from those signals we're giving to you. Like that, you're going to be always ahead, and we're going to tell you exactly when to sell before the market drop. Also, we sell before the drop of 2021. Even you can benefiting from those things. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And down here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, as you see, the VIX is go back very low, 14. That's man, very good news here. Down here, even US dollar today stay in his place, or it fall down a little bit. By the way, if you want to watch the analysis of the SP 500, the Nasdaq, and the DXY, you can go to our other YouTube channel. His name Index Insider, where we analyze only the indices. Even you can join us there. You can find it here in the channel, or just search for it in YouTube. Just write in Index Insider, and you can join us there. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. People that been with me, they remember what we have been talking about when we used to be here in that 50 moving average. Look at it, look at the jump. But the bad news which is happening now, also we couldn't break here, that level here. Even that one, you need to be focused about it. We haven't broken yet the 200 moving average, and you need to focus about the monthly candle, guys. The monthly candle is giving you a very interesting pin bar till now. So you need to focus about it, and I want to focus if it's going to break here or no. So till now, everything's still looking the same. Nothing was changed here in the 4 hours. Another thing here, you remember what we have been talking about that flag here. As you see it, it's getting broke. That candle is closed till here. Look at it till it went till here. Now, for those people they enter from here, take profit of them. It's going to be up here or in that level here. Till now, it's still for them more chance. In 30 minutes, it used to be here, but that candle will happen. It happened with big volume, guys. No one catch it. It's been very powerful. Now at that level here, what we got, there is nothing yet. And another thing, very important here, people they been with me, they remember that trend line here we used to have here like that. You remember it? Look at it here. You just touch it here in the top. Me, I just enter a short in 30 minutes, and I give it as a signal in our Discord and in our Telegram channel. But we're still waiting. So everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is touch here that overbought area. You remember when we been here, I've been telling you guys buy. Now also we are touching here that level here. That's why me enter a short, and even you need to do the same thing, guys, but not yet. You need to wait in a price action in the chart. If it's not that one at the end of the day, it's just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trade on oscillators or indicators in general. The most important is the price action. Without price action, there is no entry. So till now, there is no entry, guys. We need to wait in the price action. Why me enter short? Because in the lower time frames, I'm going to show it to you. So everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We are here at the overbought area. The level also, we are not in a very stronger level. Yes, we are in the 200 moving average, and that one here, the downtrend here. Also, we are here. But what shall we do? We need to wait in. We need to wait in the price action to happen here, because it's going to stay sideways here for some time. Or another scenario, maybe from here is going to break above. If it's breaking above, me, I'm going to close the short and I'm going to open a long, because me, I told the people to enter short, but to put a pending order here in the place of stop lose, to put a pending buy order here. So if it go up, we're going to catch it. I think picture is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, people they been with us, they remember that. Why us we enter long? Because of that one. I showed it to you in yesterday video, and even in the short video, I put it like that for you. And I told you when it's breaking above here or down here, enter long or short. That's what happened. It's breaking from here. Will have you enter as you see it from that level here. Will have you catch all that move till the top here. Me, I haven't give it to you as a signal because I've been in my job. Because as majority of you didn't know me, I got another job. So that's why me, I haven't give it to you as a signal to enter from here long. I'm so sorry for that, guys. But we'll have you enter from that level here with that 30 minutes here candle. It closed. Yeah, being tell it to you at that level is a distribution level, and people they accumulating now. People they buying. That's what's happening now. Now here, why me I enter a short? I'm going to tell you why. I enter a short me because here, as you see it, that smaller double top here and all the indicators they are at the overbought area. When it's breaking here by that candle here, that one here, I enter a short. I put stop loss here. Till now I'm still waiting. But the only thing me I do, I tell people they are in my Telegram and my Discord. I told them also we enter a short and we put in stop loss here. If the market reversing and go back up and breaking here, also we got here a pending order here at that level here. So till now also we still waiting what the market is going to do. Maybe the market is going to give us here another price action or something. So till now also we still waiting, guys, what the market is going to tell us. Now we got here at that level here a smaller price action. Let me show it to you. To see it, you just came here, you change it from candles to lines like that. As you see it, that the double top me enter base on it, that one here, as you see it. Another thing here, now the market he tried to give you here a head and shoulder here. Let me show it to you with the candles for pictures to get more clear to you. As you see it now here, if you came and you zoom like that and you doing here like that, now you got here a head and shoulder, guys. If it came and breaking down here, that means it's going to fall down more. But also we're still waiting. If it's breaking above or breaking down, also we don't care where it's going to break. You can make even a pennant here. Pennant is a continuation pattern like that and you wait in the market where it's going to go. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's telling us we are here at the overbought area. We got here that pennant here like that, very clear pennant here. Also we're going to base our trade on it. Pennant, how is it? Is like that. You see it or no? That a pennant is a continuation pattern. If it's breaking here, that's when the market it will go. But if it's breaking down, also we're going to trade it as a triangle here. That's why me I put it like that. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. If you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.